Hi guys, so welcome to our channel. Just over a week to go till Earth Day, we wanted to give you some advice on how you can get involved and what you can do to help. But before we do, here's a bit of background on what Earth Day is all about. So on April 22nd, 1970, millions of people took to the streets to protest the negative effects that 150 years of industrial development were having on the environment. We were beginning to notice the impacts of the pollution we were creating, the pesticides we were using, and the damage we were causing. The main focus of the protest was to raise global awareness of these issues and to instigate change. From these actions sprouted new environmental laws and policies to help preserve our planet and the species within. This year marks the 49th anniversary of Earth Day, and this year's focus is on endangered species. The world is currently facing its greatest rate of extinction since we lost the dinosaurs over 60 million years ago. Climate change, habitat loss, pollution and poaching are just some of the factors that contribute to this rapid loss. You're probably thinking, what can you do to help? And there are lots of ways you can get involved. On April 22nd, all over the globe, there are clean-up events for removing rubbish from natural areas, plant a tree projects and walk to work incentives. The most lasting impact you can have is changing your habits long term. By doing things such as buying local produce, using green and organic brands, and being more conscious of your energy consumption, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help to promote a healthier planet Earth for generations to come. Let me know in the comments below what your plans are for Earth Day, and click subscribe for more great content.